Hi guys, today is the second part here. It's actually what part are we on? We're on part 13. Today I'm going to show you how to add and view all. So there's 4 parts to this shortcut. It's add view all 2. And so we already did add view all 1. And the reason is because in the reminders, this gives you a different option. So I'm going to show you what that does. So did you see I tapped on that sticker? I don't know if you saw that, but see how I tapped on this? I just put my shortcut behind this little sticker because it's cute. And you see what pops up? It asks you, what do you want to do? Add a calendar event, add a reminder, view events, or view reminders. So this is the same shortcut as add view all 1. The only difference is when you tap on view reminders, okay, so it shows you your reminders. And once again, you can just swipe out, or when you tap on one, you mark it complete. See how it says reminder has been marked as completed? So that is the difference. So that's what you're going to learn how to do today. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do, as always with this huge series, it works with the instructions on my website. So you're going to want to head on over to my website and you're going to want to read the information. You're already watching this video. Then you can create the shortcut yourself. So, I have, screenshots that will show you like what I'm showing you here. Or you can just have the shortcut downloaded to your iPad and then you can set it up and follow along. Okay, so if you would like to have that downloaded to your Shortcuts app, the link is on my website, and you just want to copy and paste the link into your browser. But before you do, you're going to want to go to Settings. You're going to want to go to Shortcuts and turn on Private Sharing. Okay, that just allows the shortcut to get installed into your Shortcuts app. Okay, so let's get into it. This is add view all 2. All right, so if you notice, if you're new, if you haven't been following along, the yellow boxes are my comments, and my comments tell you what you need to do. Okay, but I'm also telling you what to do. So it's really the website plus the video plus the comments will all help you. Okay, so the top one's just telling you what this is. Now we want to go to this one, and it says be sure to choose your app where it says open app. So you want to choose, like I've chosen GoodNotes, so this will work in Note Shelf, Notability, etc. Now we're going to scroll on down to the next one. It says this is set up to choose your default calendar. If you have multiple calendars, you will be able to select a specific calendar when you actually add the event. Okay, so right now we're adding a calendar event in here. You don't have to do anything with this piece, but there is a little drop down. Okay, and see how it says location optional calendar. Well, on mine it says Erika. It'll pre-populate to your default calendar. Okay, so if you want it to have a specific calendar, you will tap on the name and then you can add your calendar. Okay, so but you don't have to because when you add the events, you have that option to choose a calendar. So it's up to you what you want to do. Now we're going down to the next comment where we're viewing events. So it says below you have some options where it says start date is in the next 2 months. You can change the number and the time period. So down here it says find all calendar events where all of the following are true. Start date is in the next 2 months. So you can change it any number you want, and you can change it to the time period: years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds, which you probably won't do that. But so you have options there, so you can choose as much as you'd like or as little as you'd like. Now, the second part, it says now where it says calendar is calendar, you have 2 options. See how it says calendar is calendar? So what this is if you have, it's finding all your calendar events. So if you want, when you tap, to view events, if you want all of your events from all of your calendars, okay, then you're going to delete this just by clicking the little minus button like that, and it'll say delete, and you can delete it. It's okay, right? Or if you have one specific calendar, like if you have your work calendar or your family calendar or whatever, this is where you're going to input it. So where it says calendar is calendar, if you tap on the calendar part, up pops all of your calendars, and then you can select it. So I would select Erika right here for an example. Okay, so those are your options. You can either select one calendar, or you can delete this and have all your calendars shown. Now, if you, obviously just have the one calendar, your default calendar, be sure to delete this, okay? Or you don't have to. Now we're going to move to the bottom, which is view reminders. So below where it says list is reminders, if you have a specific list you'd like to choose, select it below. So it says find all reminders where all of the following are true. List is reminders. So you can tap on that. Again, it's going to pre-populate just to say reminders. You can choose the list that you would like. So I'm going to choose Erika list. Okay. Now, the next part is, that's it. You have completed it. I'm going to give you a little pro tip here too. I'm going to go over this in the tips and troubleshooting. So basically what we're doing is we're creating a menu. See how it says choose from menu with prompt? You can move these around if you'd like, or change the names. And that's okay. But I will tell that if you watch my tips and troubleshooting, I'll show you what to do there. Okay. So now we've filled out all of the information. And we want to test it before we put it into our planner, notebook, template, etc. So up here you see the little play button. We're going to click play. And there it goes. There is everything that it's working. Okay, so now we are going to get this little piece of information into our template. At the very bottom, you'll see it says the link URL you will enter in your app is. Now, if you are a GoodNotes user, keep watching. If you're Shortcut or if you're Note Shelf, Notability, or like another app, I have a specific video for you guys to watch. So go watch that because the process is different. Okay, so let's get back to this link. You'll see down below, it says name equals add view all to. This name needs to match this name up here, your title. Now, if you've just downloaded the shortcut onto your iPad using the link that I provided, it will match. But if you set it up on your own and called it Betty Sue, then you need to make sure that Betty Sue up here matches Betty Sue down here. These two names have to match, otherwise the link will be broken and it won't work, okay? So copy that. It's also on my website here, adding the shortcut link to GoodNotes. There you go. So it's there. All right. And that's just an example page, by the way. So now let's go head on over to GoodNotes and I'll show you what to do. So I know I've said this a million times, and if you've been watching, thank you for your patience. But a lot of people just come in on one video, so I need to go over it. I highly recommend that you take a page in your, make a template and create your shortcuts, so that way you don't have to keep going back and forth into shortcuts and then coming back to GoodNotes, and it's just easier this way. So I would, all those things that I've had you copy, you'll want to copy and paste them here and then create your link. And then you can create an icon too. And so that way, when you're all done, like me, so this is the add view all to, this is just the bare bones link. And then this is the link with an icon over it. So when I want to put this in my planner or wherever, I just copy it and then I paste it wherever I want, like that. Okay. And like here, all I did was I just put a sticker over it. Okay. So that's just my tip for you. It'll just be handy in the long run and save you so much time. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we have that link that we copied, and we're just going to tap and hold, press and hold anywhere and select add link. And we want to link to a website, not a document. GoodNotes automatically populates here. We want to delete that. And then we're going to paste in our link. And then we're going to click return. If you don't click return, it'll probably default back to the GoodNotes link. Sometimes it just does default back. There you go. So when you tap on the link, you can see it says add view all to. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So we just want to quick test it. Great. We know it's working. All right. So now you can take an icon or a sticker or whatever and put it over like that. And then you can put it wherever you want. You can put it anywhere you want. Now, these icons I've made, they're on my website, or yeah, they're in this section so that you can just download them for free if you're looking for some icons. You can use anything you want. But I just wanted to make something that like coordinated with my planners and notebooks and stuff that would be appealing and subtle. So I hope this helped, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.